Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadai. With change in season, there is an increased incidence of allergies and infections. So today I have come up with an Allergy Cure Juice. This juice will help in building immunity in your body and will also reduce the episodes of cough and cold which is related to allergies only. So let's see how to prepare this juice. I'm sure you're liking our videos. Please do subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you have not subscribed till now, and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. To prepare our juice, we need 1 big piece of pineapple, 2 pieces of oranges, 2 small pieces of cucumber, 1 piece of lemon and 1 small piece of ginger. So let's start juicing. Firstly, we'll remove the pusher from the juicer. Firstly, add pineapple. Pineapple is simply great to add to any anti-infective and anti-inflammatory juices because it has been shown to improve immunity as well as it reduces cough. Then add oranges. Ensure that when you juice citrus fruits in this juicer, do not use pusher. Put your hand on the top. This will ensure that seeds will not get crushed. Oranges are high in vitamin C. It helps in strengthening the immune system and helps in reducing down allergies. After that, we'll add 2 small pieces of cucumber. Instead of cucumber, you can also use 2 celery sticks or you can even use zucchini. And lastly, we'll add ginger for its antimicrobial benefits. Our juicing is done, so we will turn off the juicer. In a serving glass, firstly we'll pour 1 lemon juice, and then here comes my freshly prepared pineapple orange juice. This juice can really help to reduce the inflammation associated with seasonal changes and is also very helpful to reduce the increased incidence of infections as well as allergies. So during this changing season, consume this 1 glass full of Allergy Cure Juice and eliminate those allergy symptoms naturally. My juice is ready. Let me try it out. It's really nice. If you're suffering from any cough and cold allergy, then you need to try out this recipe. I'm sure it will be very effective for you. I hope you enjoyed watching our today's video. Please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you are new to our channel. We'll be coming up with more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.